Kumusta na kayo, mga kamatalas? Narito na naman ako para sa isa pang episode of Learning in Mathematics. This is Sir Absolon Bugawisan, helping you to learn mathematics. At ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay mga pangunahing kaalaman tungkol sa quadrilateral. Pero, bago tayo pupunta sa lesson natin ngayon, ay gusto ko munang i-shoutout ang mga napahusay kong co-teacher sa Doña Aurora National High School bilang pagpupugay sa kanila. Dahil sila ang mga naunang subscriber sa aking channel. Pinangungunahan ni Teacher Marilyn Juliano, Teacher Jenny Galutera, Teacher Mardy de la Cruz, Teacher Janice Biltzimen, Teacher Delma Quaresma, Teacher Mylene Rolutin at Teacher Roela Santos. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Sana patuloy kayong manunood sa aking mga videos. So, our objectives for this lesson are the following. Letter A, identify quadrilaterals that are parallelograms, and letter B, determine the conditions that make a quadrilateral a parallelogram. It was Sir Absolon's visit to Quezon City. Use the maps app on your phone to easily get directions. Looking over the map, he saw the intersection of four main streets, North Avenue, East Avenue, West Avenue, and Timog Avenue, forming a large rectangle, which he considered a square. He wanted to know if his assumptions were correct. What conditions support his hypothesis? Can you help him?
Okay, let us define terms in this lesson.
A quadrilateral, also called as quadrangle, or tetragon, is a polygon with four sides and four angles. The Latin term could mean four, while the term lateral means sides. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral, whose opposite sides are parallel. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides, also called thebases. The non-parallel sides are called legs. The angles formed by a base and a leg are called base angles. A quitte is a special type of quadrilateral with two pairs of equal adjacent sides as shown by single and double tick marks. A trapezium is a quadrilateral with no parallel sides, and each of its pair of adjacent sides are unequal.
Furthermore, we now study the different kinds of parallelogram and their basic properties.
Rectangle, a parallelogram with four right angles. Rhombus, a parallelogram with four equal sides. Square, a parallelogram with four equal sides and four right angles. Rhomboid, a parallelogram with no right angles and whose adjacent sides are of unequal length.
At eto naman ang mga properties of parallelogram.
Property 1. A parallelogram must have a pair of parallel, opposite sides. Property 2. In a parallelogram, any two opposite sides are congruent. Property 3. In a parallelogram, any two opposite angles are congruent. Property 4. In a parallelogram, any two consecutive angles are supplementary. Property 5. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Property 6. A diagonal of a parallelogram forms two congruent triangles.
Since alam na natin ang mga properties ng mga parallelogram, i-apply natin sa real-life situation. Given that A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. If AD equals 5x plus 9, BC equals 3x plus 17, and AB equals 4x plus 3. Find the length of CD. Since ABCD ay quadrilateral, opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, AD is equal to BC. Equating their equivalent expressions, we have 5x plus 9 equals 3x plus 17. Grouping like terms, and solve x, so x equals 4. Nakuha nyo ba mga anak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, to find the length of CD, substitute for the value of x in the expression. That is 4 times 4, equals 16 minus 3, that is 13, therefore, the length of CD is 13. Given that, ABCD is a parallelogram, and measure of angle B equals x squared minus 4x plus 65, and the measure of angle C equals x squared minus 3x plus 100. What is the measure of angle E? By property number 4, consecutive angles are supplementary, then the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Combining like terms, so we have 2x squared minus 7x plus 165 equals 180, equating the right side to, it is equal to 2x squared minus 7x minus 15. Factoring the left side, we have the quantity 2x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 5 equals 0. Using the zero product property, then x1 is negative 3 over 2, and x2 is 5. Since angle A and angle C are opposite, then they are congruent. Measure of angle C is equal to x squared minus 3x plus 100. Then, equating and substituting, therefore, angle A is equal to 110 degrees. Naiintindihan nyo ba ang lesson natin sa quadrilateral, mga anak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job!
Yan ang kabuuan ng lesson natin sa araw na ito. See you again next time in another episode of Learning Mathematics. Sa MathALAS channel, we are making mathematics easy. Bye-bye.